should have seen him. Read him and...
Get a jacket.
I hear your voice by ears, and I still can't believe I did see you in faraway place. You write your words and pour it to me in my wings of your papers filled with emotions of you, and so you let me know the age of 4 you got. Without pals I can only hope you'll stick with them, with all the love you...
Look like an egg, right? Well, you should have seen him. Read him and wait. And then he did.
You guys have never played something else. Let me tell you something. Everything you hear at a poker game is pure crap. I hear it. Thank you.
I'm sorry I'm not full mind and glassy eyes, and please ignore my crooked smile. I just came out of the rip-up band. You should go and have fun.
Kalpsizim kalp hırsız sen, dünyanın en güzel kızı. Hem
And I was working down along the Alp. It was late, almost around 12. I was thinking I should get a jacket. Suddenly, smoke's the only thing that I can see. A tall figure coming towards me. I'm sorry I'm not full. Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn out of thin air, running and you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only stole me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. Then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full front collision on my way home. Dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is
Ever since I know your name, you struck me on this cloud for a joyride. Hope every kiss would be the same, and every hug would last forever with you.